Who is Carl as a person? Diba, hiiputo. Tapos, paano na-reflect ka iya artistry now nga nagtitikang nayahang music?
Photo, full of emotions ito. Yeah. Artist nga ni, emotional ka ito. We also that when Karen was still young, tuok. No! Bibidyohan na yan, nadiri ko dito. Pero pwede ako gusto niya sumayaw, hindi pa. Wala paki. How is she? How was she? How is she now? In relation to her artistry. Kikita na ito.
Later na ito, mga grade school ka na lang. Iba na namalit kita yung mga art materials, nurture, and in creativity aside.
Ano man yan na ako mga
The young artist.
And what, is that your butterfly? Blue.
It's the people.
Oh, the people. So intuitive.
Especially for you.
Oh, it's a blue boat.
Ang parte music, dili pa ko nagtuduron po na, di ba? Happy for you, you are given the opportunity to venture into new field. And muna po mga visual arts, craft, naman po na. I-achieve mo mangyap ito muna.
I-achieve po ang imo influence ang visual artist, ang artistry.
Yeah.
Ang aton usual nga karaoke, di na kayo ito kay pinakanta ka na ito. Basta yan, nga di ka na napuliwin microphone ko ginahatag ka.
So, buhay.
Ako, masasabi ko lang na I think Carol has always been a woman on a mission. Diba? Nung high school pa lang kami, we all had each individual goals. Pero sekreto lang nga na naghihinahinit iya goals. And now, ganun pa rin. Nag-move lang kami 1,000 miles away. Diba? Carol as she has her own genre na there's a lot of work na nangyayari behind the scenes. So yeah, yun po ang masasabi ko.
Tahimik lang siya, pero ang dami niyang nasasabi.
Ako, masasabing kadito ni Kyle, medyo immature pa ito ito nga time. Kada mo niya pinag-iisipan ng personality niya, goals, iya ito susukiya. Iya ako, tapos yan na-work niya, medyo nag-mature niya. Na-translate ha in music and in mga kuan thoughts.
Thank you po. And now, candidate number 25. What can you say about her personality and her as an artist? Like, how does it connect?
The tax implication of that is, wala na ako nako-connect.
In English, please.
English.
The before, when we were jamming, when we were kids, kita nga tulo ni recreation, nag-gitara kita second floor. One of the influences siguro yung itong Athens jamming session. Amoy.
Yay! Maraming salamat po. Ate G, candidate number. Wow, the pressure.
Ako first nga witness ng performance ko naman recording. Walan, mashup and song, creative side, didn't really know you have your own YouTube channel, and now it's in Spotify, so I'm just so proud of you. Yun lang.
Ay, thank you po. That is very insightful po. Kay Hera nga tanan na family, nakita naman nera ako growing up. Ikaw medyo recent. Pero that's true. And iyo wedding. That was also one of my first ever performances nga like wedding. Kaya first kanda chibo manadto. Tas waray naging kasal after. Okay. So, sa last segment, ano lang, hopes lang for Carol and her little musical universe.